Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel.
In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of a USB or pen drive not showing up on Windows 11, Windows 10, or any other operating system. This is a common problem where you insert your USB drive, pen drive, or any external storage, but it doesn't appear in your system or in disk management, and now let's dive into the solution. Before diving into solutions, I recommend that you first try inserting your USB or pen drive into a different USB port on your PC or laptop. If there are multiple ports, switch to another one to see if that resolves the issue. Additionally, try restarting your PC. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix detection problems. If these initial steps don't work, follow the rest of this guide to troubleshoot the issue effectively. If your USB or pen drive is still not showing up, follow these steps. First, click on the search icon on Windows 10 or 11 and type Disk Management from the search results. Select Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions to open the Disk Management tool. In Disk Management, look for your removable drive, the USB or pen drive that you've plugged in. Make sure the USB is properly connected to your PC or laptop. Once located, you should see Removable Online. Right-click on this drive, select Change Drive Letter and Paths, and then click on Change. Next, change the drive letter from the current one, for example D, to any other available letter, but make sure it's not already assigned to another drive. After selecting a new letter, click OK, then OK again to apply the changes. Afterward, check if the issue is fixed. You can also try removing and reinserting the USB drive. If it still doesn't show, proceed with additional troubleshooting steps. If your USB or pen drive is still not showing up, the next step is to uninstall and reinstall the drivers. Right-click on the Windows icon and choose Device Manager. In Device Manager, scroll down and find Universal Serial Bus Controllers at the very bottom. Click on it to expand, and look for USB Mass Storage Device. Make sure your USB or pen drive is plugged into your PC, then right-click on USB Mass Storage Device and choose Uninstall Device. Confirm by clicking Uninstall again. After this, remove your USB from the PC or laptop and reinsert it. Once you do this, the USB should appear again. If it doesn't show up immediately, go to the Action menu at the top of the Device Manager and select Scan for hardware changes. This should prompt the system to recognize the USB or pen drive. Check your drives again, and you should now see your removable disk listed. If it still doesn't show up, try restarting your PC. This method has worked for me several times, and I've recommended it to others as well. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.